सर मुझे तो भरोसा था खुद पर, लेकिन दुनिया को अब हुआ है. So I interacted with Rishabha for the first time during the SSB interview workshop that I conducted. He was quite interactive in the session. I got to know him better when he came to the psych and interview batches. Hailing from Rajasthan, Rishabh belongs to the Indian Air Force family. His father, who has been part of the medical fraternity, wanted him to become a doctor, and Rishabh gave it his all right after class 12. However, as fate would have it, he did not land any seat for MBBS. Although he was getting a BDS seat in a reputed college, he did not want to settle for it. So he chose to pursue BSc, a bold move for sure, but he wanted to prepare for government exams as he knew that the armed forces were his calling. If not as a doctor, then he planned to become an officer. So when he was asked by the interviewing officer why did he not take the BDS seat, his answer was simple and direct. Sir lena hi nahi tha. More than the answer, it was about how he put it. He had no regret whatsoever. In fact, he was glad that he made his choice. So when Rishabh got recommended for the first time, his father jokingly said, "तेरी इज्जत तभी होगी जब तू IAF में select होगा." Although Rishabh took it as a challenge, but family events were coming up, he didn't get time for preparation. So he went there without any stress, and lo and behold, second recommendation. Many congratulations to him and his family.